So, he wants Dr. Ifem arrested?
Yes, please.
But why?
He conspired with His Majesty to kill a king.
Yes, I heard that. I heard everything. But how is that your concern? How is the death of a king your concern? You're not even from this kingdom.
Because he committed murder. So he must go in for it. It's also my concern.
Okay. I understand. Okay. Whatever you want to do, I'll be here to support you.
You know you're so special, right?
Really?
Yeah. You see, I have this feeling that one day, just one day, it's going to be the both of us fulfilling our dreams, maybe making trips together. I mean, we are going to be one day.
We are going to be one day. I don't understand.
You don't need to understand this. It comes from my deepest heart. I mean, deepest part of my heart. And that part is definitely, don't mind me, it's just a love language. It's just a random love language.
I love you too.
I love you, man.
Your Majesty, we as family and friends in the royal circle have a way of handling issues. We respect one another. We believe in our tradition. We respect culture. We respect our norms. We respect our families and how we feel about them. You do not push a child to the mud and expect a smile. Honestly, I am pained. My daughter here drove into my compound this afternoon with an issue of concern. Prince Wilson has been in this country and we are not aware of it. I mean, that is not how you treat people. Especially when my daughter has been a good friend to Prince Wilson.
A good friend that sleeps around. Right? A good friend that slept with the prince of Umuako Kingdom.
Wait.
Please, allow me. A good friend that goes out with her boyfriend and gives her number out in the presence of her boyfriend.
I beg your pardon.
Am I lying? She has her phone with her. Go through it. Check the conversation she had with the prince. So you can see things for yourself.
Edna. What is he saying?
Did she tell you she smokes?
What? Edna, you smoke!
Akoma, please kindly take your daughter out of my palace. I added please, because I'm already infuriated. I don't want to do anything that I will regret later. Please, take her out of my palace.
You have to go now, please. Take her home and give her a proper home training.
Edna!
Hey, you look much like your late father. Oh.
Prince, my son, the spirit of your fathers is always speaking for you. So, let your mind be still. There is a reason for every event. Eh? I want you to take me as your mother.
Okay.
Eh?
Okay.
I take you as my beloved son. I love you so much. Take this place as your home. No?
Okay, Ma.
Forget about your father's palace for now. Eh?
Okay.
Don't worry. I want you to play around with children around here. No?
Okay.
And the gods will protect and always guide us. No?
Ma could killed my father and took his crown.
Ah. Don't worry. Don't worry. Stop crying. No? One day, a day shall come when you go back to your father's palace. You must surely return back to your kingdom. Hmm? Don't worry. You are still a little boy. Little lion always roar. Eh? They don't fight like their fathers. But I promise you, one day you must surely go back. Oh? I pray that the gods will give you wisdom and knowledge. Hmm? My son, Prince, my son. Stop crying. Yeah? Oh, smile for mommy. Mommy loves you. Oh? I'm your mother. I'm your mother. Oh? Yes, okay. It's okay, no?
Okay.
See, as I've come of age, my father keeps appearing in my dream, telling me to go back home and take over my kingdom. You see, but the only way I can achieve that without anybody knowing it's me is to disguise myself. Yes. I disguised myself as a guard, working in the palace as a chief guard. Because I need to stay close and discover a lot that happened when I was a kid. And indeed, it's the best decision that I've ever taken.
Indeed, you are wise. Yes.
That man is evil. He killed my father. He paid one Dr. Ephraim to inject my father with a poisonous substance.
I knew it. I knew it, but then I was helpless.
Well, you see, the good thing is, right now, there's a confusion in their camp. They are fighting as we speak now. That his son will marry Dr. Ephraim's daughter. But he breached the agreement because he wants his son to marry the princess of Aguatat kingdom. Reason because of the illegal business that he does. Because he feels that his future in-law will protect him in his illegal deal. But the doctor is not having it. According to Dr. Ephraim, the agreement is agreement. And there's fire going on between them right now. So the gods are indeed wise.
I understand.
I have not even started with him yet. And all this is already happening.
Yes, I understand. But did your late father actually appear to you in your dreams?
Papa J. Papa no mano. You know, I cannot say such a thing without being sure of what I am telling you. He did. He appeared to me in the palace. You see, I've had the opportunity to kill him on several occasions. But my father told me to be patient. That my uncle will lead me to your miracle.
Yeah.
So you say the gods are indeed wise.
They are truly wise.
Papa J.
Mike.
Wait a minute. What's going on?
What is it? What is going on? What happened?
I can't feel my manhood.
What do you mean by you can't feel your manhood?
Listen, I can't feel my manhood. My manhood. Look at it.
Mama, where we use the nana?
Listen, I don't know what's going on and I don't know what you've done. But please, Yodogu Amanjewo regregation. Please, just what's going on now? Eh?
Like one more.
Hello, Mom. Mom.
Where are you? Start coming home now. Your father is behaving funny. Come back to the palace right now.
Mother, what happened to him? I don't know. I saw him in the sitting room on the floor. And then this. Father.
Hey! My name is...
Let me call the doctor.
What doctor are you calling?
The family doctor. Dr. Ephraim.
No, don't, please. Don't, not now. Not now. This is not a hospital thing. It's a traditional problem, please.
What do you mean?
No, don't just call any doctor. Please. My name is at work. Hey, Your Majesty. Did he eat anything? What did you give him?
Found him this way,
Yes, just like that?
Yes, on the floor like that.
Did they give him anything to eat?
No, none that I know of.
Hey! What kind of belly is this now?
My father is not feeling well. My father is down. And when I return, you will explain to me how my manhood got melted inside of you. No jokes.
I don't even know what you're talking about. I'm confused.
Listen to me. I don't want to get angry. Like I said, when I return, you will explain to me how my manhood got melted inside of you. You keep getting confused until I come back.
Hey, I don't know I don't know if you're joking or serious. I don't know anything about your manhood. I don't know. Hey, I don't know anything.
I do not have solution to the predicament. The gods are angry. It is their own time to strike.
You are the chief priest of this land. Do something.
You all have not seen anything yet. The time to crown the king has come.
Hey, listen to me. You shot devil.
Watch your tongue. Watch your tongue whenever you are before me. What nonsense king are you talking about? What king are you talking about?
Evil shall not prevail forever.
What the heck is it talking?
I can now see.
Oh no! You can see?
Yes, I can see. Obianiju, you and your husband soiled their hands in blood. I know all the evil things you did in the past. The funny things. You people think that you are smart. But the gods are smarter than you. Take your failed family and leave this kingdom before it is too late for you. This land shall come after you and your household.
Lies! Or I will shut your mouth before I shut it for you. Have you no fear? No, have you no fear to spill such nonsense before me? Now listen, let me tell you something. I don't know where you've gone to. I don't know what you've done. But all of that will fail you when the time is right. Now let me tell you one thing. The death that will kill you is behind you for spilling such rubbish before me. Hey, get this man to kneel before me and apologize for talking nonsense. Are you having hearing problems? I said get him so he will kneel before me and apologize. Did you not hear me?
I'm sorry, but I only take orders from the king. I have no business in this.
Are you insane? Have you gone berserk? I said get this man and bring him before me.
You have hands, you can. You can do it yourself. After all, this is your kingdom.
I smell conspiracy.
Shut up! Speak no further. You know who has spoken.
Never! Never will this throne leave my household. Never!
I assure you all, you will bow before me when I'm king.
Obianiju, please leave the palace. Or do you want to die?
Speak no more.
One more word from you, I will set you ablaze. Nuzukwa bam mbagoko here.
Oh, just calm down. Calm down. What is going on here? Mother.
Yes. Mother, Maurice said he can't feel his manhood.
You stupid. Huh? We are talking about your father's ailment. And you're here talking about nonsense manhood? Are you okay? Instead of you to look for the solution to your father's ailment and you're here talking about manhood, are you stupid?
Mother, a king or a prince without a manhood is like a log of wood. You of all persons should know that.
Shut up. I said, shut up. Did you hear me? What is wrong with you? Huh? There is calamity in the land.
There is no calamity worse than what I'm going through right now.
I think it's funny. Huh? My dear, you think it's funny? There is war. There is war. I mean war, not this stupid manhood of a thing.
There is war. My manhood should die. Mother, please. Please.
Let me shock you, my dear. This
war is about to rob you of your father's inheritance.
I can't do anything. Okay. This is from the gods, not man.
What do you mean this is from gods? Look here. We don't care where it came from. Do something for him. Do it now!
I'm afraid I can't. I have to go.
Then you have to give me back my money. Let me look for someone that can do it better. Let me have my money.
Mom, please. Let me handle it. Oh, please excuse me. Okay. Wise one. Let's talk man to man. Right? He said he can't do anything. That is from the gods. Very well then. Do you have anything that can resurrect a dead manhood? I can pay anything.
Morris!
Nechalo, I'm trying to handle something here.
I'm okay.
If Odoguga Kugudoto, let the living talk first. Anything.
Hey!
You aborted. You aborted! Answer me! Yes. My goodness. Edna. Edna, pray to God. Pray to whatever it is that you hold there. Pray that I do not find out that you are cheating on Prince Wilson. If I ever find out, I swear, I will behead you. I will behead you, Edna! God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Edna, if you dare bring disgrace to me, if you dare dance my name, just pray. Just pray that you marry Prince Wilson. Because if you don't, you will say the monster in me. I dare you, you will say the monster in me. How dare you? How dare you, Edna? Oh, I'm sorry. Now get out. Get out of my sight, you silly idiot! Out! Out! My goodness.
Father, Mother, behold the love of my life, Chamaka Oji. Chamaka, meet my father and my mother.
This damsel, she's so beautiful. More beautiful in person. You're welcome, my dear. You're welcome.
Thank you.
My daughter, you have found favor in my sight. And you and my son will take over my reign in this kingdom after I have gone.
You're welcome, my dear.
Oh, babe. Oh. Babe, are you okay? Babe, what's going on?
Is she okay?
Babe.
She will be fine. She's just in shock.
Yeah. My love. How are you?
Where am I?
Love, easy, okay? Just take it easy. Okay, you're safe. You're in my palace. And these are my parents.
My daughter, how are you feeling right now?
I don't understand anything. How did this happen?
My love, I'm sorry that I hid all this from you. I want a lady that will love me naturally and not for my status as a prince. And you know, I found that lady in you. I'm not that poor electrician you love. I just have knowledge with connections and light. I'm a prince.
You are a prince.
Yes, my dear. He is a prince. We know everything about you. We know your story, my dear. You're such a beautiful soul. And now that you have stepped into this palace, all your heart desires shall be fulfilled.
I'm not dreaming, right?
No, you are not dreaming.
Just pinch me. Pinch me.
Babe, it's okay. You're okay. You're fine.
Wait, just pinch me so I know I'm not dreaming.
Baby, you're not dreaming. I want you to be calm, okay? Everything is fine. You're safe. Okay? Please.
You're welcome to the palace, my dear. Come. Come, my dear. Don't cry. It's okay, my dear.
Wow. You're more than a word can say.
Do I look beautiful?
You don't just look beautiful, you look sweet. You look gorgeous. You look... I don't even know what to say anymore. You're so sweet.
Thank you.
My love, I want to introduce you to someone.
Someone?
Yes.
Okay. You're full of surprises.
Nedu? Nedu? Yes.
You?
My love, meet Nedu, my cousin.
No way. Your cousin?
Yes. My love, I am really sorry. I wanted to test your loyalty, and you proved me wrong. Please forgive me. Sorry. I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
So, can I be your driver for today? That smile is screaming yes. So, this way. Please.
Okay. After you.
Young man, you better take this thing back. Chiamaka is not ready for marriage yet. Eh? Take it back. You cannot just walk into my house and ask for her hand in marriage with this one bottle of drink. Oh, so because I allowed both of you to walk up and down in this community, I see you in my shop, I keep quiet. That is what gave you the audacity to come to my house and seek for her hand in marriage. She's not ready. She's selling my tomatoes for now.
Bianwanya, what is your problem? Why not allow them to get married so that this young girl will have her own family and produce her own children?
I will not allow them.
Why?
If I allow them, who will sell my tomatoes for me?
But Mama, you can have a sales girl now.
Uchegono, who asked you to talk? Who asked you to talk? Take this thing and leave my compound now. I don't want to see you near Chiamaka again. In Anea.
Uncle?
Yes?
There is no too much conversation in evening mass.
If you are aware about that. Exactly.
Young man, as the head of the family, I'm representing my late father. That makes me the head of the family. I approve this union. So go and bring your people and have my blessings. Mama, please, avoid me. Stay out of this. When it gets to your daughter's turn, tell her to go and be washing and selling tomato for you. You understand? I will not sit here and have you destroy this one. The first one was a prince. You said Chiamaka is not due for marriage. Another one came. You chased the young man away. If you this one, it will not happen. And besides, Chiamaka said that she's in love with this one. They love each other. So, young man, go bring your people, come back and have my blessings. This one is not going with you. Thank you.
It will not happen. It will not happen until I change my mind. This marriage of us.
Okay? To tell us what we will do in family. This family,
no.
Oga, kwanyere onwe gị. Oga, ị ga-ejikwa ọsọ wee si ebe a pụọ. Kwanyere onwe gị ugwu. Ekwuchakwa m, ịnọkwa m n'aja aka. Achọkwa m, afọkwa m okpuru edi gị. Afọkwa m okpuru edi gị.
Afọ na ị na-aṅụta ezigbo nkwụ. Ị na-aṅụta ndị ezigbo nkwụ.
Return that drink to that young man. Let him go.
Mama menu now.
Chima, give the young man his drink. Let him go.
Why?
Hey, Bianna. Nna. Bia. Hey. Gịnị na-eme gị?
What is it?
Ịmakwa onwe gị. He disappointed cousin. Instead of you getting Chiamaka pregnant, denying it and making her a single mother, you're here saying you want to marry her. Hey!
Mama.
Chiamaka onye a na-anụ anụ. Chiamaka bụrụ onye a na-anụ anụ, ichekikwara ya echeki.
Mama, how can you say such a thing now, Mama? Do you mean well for her?
What do you mean, do I mean well for her? Of course I mean well for her now. Then let me tell you, Chiamaka cannot get married first before my daughter. Mbana. Not on my watch. And I could
Mama, whether you like it or not, I will get married to Chiamaka and there is nothing you do about it, Mama. I will get married to her and she will leave that your business for you. That's your tomato business. She will leave it for you.
It's again.
Mama, I will get married to Chiamaka.
It's again.
Mama, she will leave your business. Mama.
Onye gwa gị kwuo. Ichele ibo onye ka ebo.
Mama, you're embarrassing me.
Embarrassing you.
Mama, please.
Negodo onye na-adụ ọdụ na-achọ inyere aka na-ezuzu ya.
Mama, please leave my shirt. Mama, please leave my shirt, Mama.
To leave shirt.
Mama, stop embarrassing.
Embarrassing gịnị? Anụ ọhịa. Negodo. Echekwa m ọ bụ mmadụ. So ebe azụzụ pụọ.
Mama, please give me my car.
Mama, there. Go and take it. Go and take it. Oh. Ọ na-aga chee ma mmadụ nne mụrụ nke agbakwa aka nwa. Enya. Common electrician. Onye zukwe n'ụzọ chee na mmadụ.
Sit down here and wait for me, okay? Let me go and get them.
Wait, why are we here? This is a palace. You said you were taking me to your parents.
I know, but just calm down, okay? They're upstairs. Let me go and get them, okay?
What would your parents be upstairs?
Just calm down, relax yourself, okay? You're safe here. I'm coming. You know, Lady, you're very great actor. Like, you're very good actor. Thank you. I must commend you.
I'll take that as a compliment. In other words, you're saying that I deserve an EMBC award.
Not just EMBC, an Oscar.
Oh, thank you, my friend. Thank you so much. I recall that day I came to her shop, her tomato shop, and you came in. She was like, please, I don't want you. I don't want, please. I was really trying to offer her, you know, give her a good life in education and all that. She was showing me like, please, I don't. I told you I would give you a good life. So what's happening now?
You're not giving me the good
My
life.
cousin is giving you a good life. So
Okay. Imagine I had done for you.
I'm not for my friends now.
You can't take care of my woman now.
It's fine, I give up.
I already like you. There was no else for
Really?
Yes, my love is not for sale.
My baby, even the richest man in this earth can't take care of you.
It's okay, I give up at this point. I give up.
You know my man.
My cousin.
You do good. Thank you.
Prince.
You are in this country and you didn't bother to call me. Huh? And who is she? I'm asking you, who is she?
Nedu,
my prince,
please take this woman away from here, okay? I don't want her to run this moment.
Really? Hey, Prince, so this is who you are. No. This is your true color. You don't want me to ruin this moment. I am now a woman. What moment are you having? I don't get it. Oh, this is your true character. This is true you. Huh?
Edna, please.
What?
Let me see you outside.
No, wait first. So this is your true character. You don't want me to ruin this moment. What nonsense moment are you having? And you, let it clear to you right now. He is mine. And I will not live to see you take him away from me. I don't care what your name is. I don't care who you are. So this is you. Prince Wilson, this is your true character.
Edna, you need to.
No, leave me alone. This is who you are.
Let's go.
You have not seen the worst part of me yet. I swear you've not seen the worst part of me yet.
I don't want to hit you, right?
I'm going straight to my mother to report this. Wait. So this is who you are. Prince, this is who you are. This is your true color. Don't worry.
I'm sorry for the inconveniences, okay? Don't allow this girl to ruin our moment for us. Okay? Leave. I'm sorry. Okay? Please.
So, you want Dr. Ifem arrested?
Yes, please.
But why?
He conspired with His Majesty to kill a king.
Yes, I heard that. I heard everything. But how is that your concern? How is the death of a king your concern? You're not even from this kingdom.
Because he committed murder. So he must go in for it. It's also my concern.
Okay. I understand. Okay. Whatever you want to do, I'll be here to support you.
You know you're so special, right?
Really?
Yeah. You see, I have this feeling that one day, just one day, it's going to be the both of us fulfilling our dreams, maybe making trips together. I mean, we're going to be one day.
we are going to be one day. I don't understand.
You don't need to understand this. It comes from my deepest heart. I mean, deepest part of my heart. And that part is definitely, don't mind me, it's just a love language. It's just a random love language.
I love you too.
I love you, man.
Your Majesty, we as family and friends in the royal circle have a way of handling issues. We respect one another. We believe in our tradition. We respect culture. We respect our norms. We respect our families and how we feel about them. You do not push a child to the mud and expect a smile. Honestly, I am pained. My daughter here drove into my compound this afternoon with an issue of concern. Prince Wilson has been in this country and we are not aware of it. I mean, that is not how you treat people. Especially when my daughter has been a good friend to Prince Wilson.
A good friend that sleeps around. Right? A good friend that slept with the prince of Umuako Kingdom.
Wait.
Please, allow me. A good friend that goes out with her boyfriend and gives her number out in the presence of her boyfriend.
I beg your pardon.
Am I lying? She has her phone with her. Go through it. Check the conversation she had with the prince. So you can see things for yourself.
Edna. Edna. What is he saying?
Did she tell you she smokes?
What? Edna, you smoke?
Akoma, please kindly take your daughter out of my palace. I added please, because I'm already infuriated. I don't want to do anything that I will regret later. Please, take her out of my palace.
You have to go now, please. Take her home and give her a proper home training.
Edna!
Who are you?
We are Jehovah's Witness people, sir.
Yes.
Come now, come on.
You don't want my father to see me and kill me. Do you want to ruin that for me?
I've been waiting for you to pass, so at least I can see you and collect your number.
Are you mad? Who gave you the right to hit him? How dare you stop me? What is your business here?
My princess, why are you pushing so hard for me to despise you?
See, I'm not used to talking to men on the road. Please, my father will kill me.
Nick, follow the Richards. Maybe that pass shoot my hand. Person wait till you say Papa no they happy when it's time for road.
Your charm did not work. Let me look for a stronger native doctor that will do a job for me. And not this your stupid charms of what? How dare you sleep with my own mother? Are you out of your mind?
What's your problem? Because I have this thing to do with you and you think I go around sleeping with girls?
Why are you pursuing a cause that you know can never come to pass?
You're always coming to say hi. What is it? You're trying to put me in trouble.
This is what I don't like about you. You're too soft for my liking.
Okay, come back here. Who are these village boys?
I don't know them.
I see when they press your neck for guy, but let me kill you for there.
Yeah, I know strong, but if you see that your boyfriend today, at least I go feel bitter. Because I know there. How much I don't want you to make another fight?
Olivia, what is your problem, my daughter?
The young man that just resumed work today, you hit him?
Oge Chikama is busy selling rice and prostituting.
Well, I do not think that you are in any position to speak of class.
Every time you go come here, they smell spicy. If you don't smell ginger, you smell garlic. They smell red oil.
Please, repeat what you just said. Let me be clear.
I want us to love ourselves.
You just still talking.
She lied to me that she's honest with my son.
If a woman does not want you to know anything, you will not know it, no matter how hard you dig.
What are you doing here? Who? To see who? At what? Get it out here! Looking for who? For what?
This your pattern no go walk. Na management yo, smart time me go cast yo. Hell royalty, even not the last year. Na management yo, smart time me go cast yo. Hell royalty, wickedness not the last year. Na management yo, smart time me go cast yo. Hell royalty, yeah na na, yeah papa, ana pas maga, yeah at night. Even not the last year, na management year, smart like you go cast hell royalty. Because you get power, you come they do anyhow. Because you day on top now. You think you be God, tomorrow they come, you know be deputy Jesus. Calamity they come, if only better love, if he never God let the luggage, Ikiji my love, my baby, God my lady. This your pattern no go walk, na management yo, smart time me go cast you. Hell royalty, even not the last year. Na management year, smart time me go cast you.